everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about surface area and volume part 2, which is how to find surface area and volumes for square pyramid and then rectangular pyramid. So pretty much these two pyramids are very similar. So square is technically a special rectangular, right? So it's from grade 9. All right, so let's find the square pyramid volume first. So volume is always simpler in this part. All right, so pyramid volumes. Do you still remember how to find the volumes for the prisms? The prism just equal to base times height. All right, and that's it. So pyramid, just 1/3 of it. So why 1/3? You don't learn exactly why until you first year of universities. If you like, you can check my calculus 2 videos, but I don't think it makes sense for you for now. But if you're interested about that, please go ahead to check it out, and you will find out how this 1/3 being calculated. For now, if you not really care about that, just remember 1/3 of the prisms equal to the volumes of the pyramid with the same base area. Okay, so I said it one more time. If they have the same base area of the prism and the pyramid is the volumes of pyramid equal to 1/3 of the volume of the prisms. Okay, so again, let's see how to find this. So once volumes equal to 1/3 of base times height. So I suppose right in here. Okay, the volumes just equal to 1/3 times the base. Base is how much? Base is 8 times 8, right? So square is 8 times 8, 8 squared, times the height. Height is 5.75. I'm not going to find out how much is this. You can use your calculators, and then it's very simple to find. All right, so let's see the surface area formulas. The surface area formulas is a little bit tricky. It's require you have a little bit of 3D imagination. Now, let's see. Imagine if we open up this pyramid, what we got? We got this shape. Right? Okay, so how to get this shape here? Think about this. On this part, this triangle part is going to equal to this part. Okay? And then the other part, this triangle part, going to equal to this part. Can you imagine that? Okay, so on this side you really can see is this part, and then the back triangle will be this part, and then the base still is in the middle of the square. All right, so actually looking for the surface area, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different side, different side. Yes. Okay, so we have a 4 triangle and then 1 square. We just find out areas for each of them and add them up, and that's it. Make sense? All right, so let's find out the triangle square first. Square is easy, right? Square is 8 times 8 is 64, and that's it. So 8 times 8. Okay, what about the triangle here? So the triangle, this part is the base, which is 8, right? And then base times the height divided by 2 is how to find the area of triangle. What is the height? Is the height equal to 5.75? No, this is not the height of triangle. The triangle height is this part. This line. It's a tilted line, right? So how to find this? So as long as we have this part and this part, we can using Pythagorean theorems to find out this part. Okay, so let's using different colors to make sure you see this line here. This line equal to these two black lines. So like this. Here, like that. So we have 5.75 as the height. And then how long is this part? This part, entire width of the part is 8, right? So this part is supposed to be half of them, it's 4. So one is a 4, one is a 5.75. If you're using, this is right angle, right? So if you're using Pythagorean theorems, you got 7 on the top. Okay? So you can always using that to finding this side, the green side. Once you have the green side, you have something here. This is 7. We have 8. We have a 7 here. 8 times 7 divided by 2, which is our area of these triangles. How many triangles we have? 4 of them, right? So our formula is supposed to be 8 times 8 plus 8 times 7, which is this line, divided by 2, and then times 4. And that's it. Make sense? Okay, next. The rectangular pyramid is pretty similar with a square pyramid. There's only one extra steps here. Okay, again, let's talk about the volume first. So volume is always easy. 1/3 times base times height. So the 1/3 base is how much? Base is 16 times 12. 16 times 12. And then the height equal to 8. And that's it. So far so good. So we're not going to calculate this. So easy enough. Surface area, little bit tricky because we have a little bit difference here. For the square, these all 4 triangles are same. For the rectangular, these 4 triangles are not the same because the length and the width are different. So one triangle is this, the other one is this, right? And then here is this part here. So imagine this, we open up this pyramid. So this area equal to this area, right? And then the front part going to equal to this part. However, this part and this part are not the same. We need to calculate 2 different sides of triangles. Again, let's find out how to do the base first. Okay, the base equal to 16 times 12. Easy enough. However, the triangles, let's deal with this triangle first. The base is 16. The height is how much? Which is the height of this part. Let me clean this up. Okay, so now we're looking for a line of this green line. Okay, this green line equal to what? Again, using Pythagorean theorems, equal to this part and then this part. This is the green area is a right triangle. So this is how much? That is half of the 12, which is 6. And then this is how much? That is just the height, right? Height equal to 8. We have a 6 here, 8 here, and then this side will be 10. So it's being already calculated. But if they don't give you this, you're supposed to be able to find it by yourself. So we have a 16 as the base here, 10 as here. So our formula is going to equal to 16 times 10 divided by 2. Okay, so this is each one of them. And then there is the other one. This one and this one on the top and bottom, these two are symmetry. Are exactly the same. So we times 2. So if you just imagine this is simple, we divide by 2 and times 2, we don't even divide it. And that's it. Okay, this upper and bottom, these two are the same. Same thing happened to these 2 side triangle here. We have a base equal to 12. This part we can using Pythagorean theorem as well. So that is 8. That is 8 again. 8, 8. So we're using Pythagorean theorems. This one equal to 11.3 centimeters. Okay, so this is 11.3 here. That's the that's how much? That's the 12. 12 times 11.3 divided by 2. Because we have two of them, we times 2 again. So we got 12 times 11.3. We add this, and done. Make sense? Okay, apologize for the little bit messy here. So if you have questions, please leave your comment below. I will answer your question in my next video. Hope you enjoy the videos. Hope you learn something. If you like, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.